Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Docker Desktop on your computer. So for downloading that, first you have to open any web browser. So let me open here. So now here inside the web browser, you have to search for Docker download. So let me search here Docker download and now go to this first link, Docker Desktop, and now scroll down and here you can see a button called download Docker Desktop. So now click on this if you are on Windows, download for Windows. So here you can see the downloading has been started. So just wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you how can you install the Docker on your computer. So now here you can see Docker Desktop installer has been downloaded. So now double click it to install and just wait till the installer pop-up will show. So now here you can see installing pop-up is showing and now you have to click on OK. So it is now installing the Docker on my computer. So just wait till the installation ends. So now here you can see the installation has been completed. Now click on close and just let me search here for Docker. So here you can see Docker is showing. Now click on open or press the enter key to open Docker Desktop on your computer. So here is the Docker subscription service agreement. You have to accept this. If you want to read all the terms and conditions, you can click here. So let me accept here. So now Docker is ready. You can create an account into Docker and start working. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.